To change the screen resolution on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap screen resolution. Here you are provided with 3 resolution options: HD+, which will offer you lower resolution that is best for saving battery life; FHD+, which will offer you balanced resolution to provide you sharp visual while preserving battery; and QHD+, which will offer you highest resolution to provide you ultra crisp detail and the best visual quality, but it may use more battery. Select the desired resolution you like to use. As the example, we will select QHD+. Tap apply button to apply your selection. Once the change is applied, your screen will adjust to the new resolution, giving you the visual experience you prefer. By changing the screen resolution, you can tailor your phone's display to suit your needs, whether you want to save battery with HD+, balance performance and clarity with FD+, or enjoy the highest image quality with QHD+. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.